Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dipasha Sharma. Earthquake of magnitude 7.2 strikes off Peru, tsunami threat issued. A magnitude 7.2 earthquake struck off the coast of central Peru on Friday, the United States Geological Survey said, but a tsunami threat from the tremor has passed. The USGS said the tremor hit 8.8 kilometers from Anticupa district, raising an initial magnitude rating soon after the quake was reported. The USGS said that the strong shaking from the quake would have been felt in areas near the epicenter. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center had earlier said hazardous tsunami waves are forecast for some coast, but later said the threat had passed. There is no longer a tsunami threat from this earthquake. Peru experiences frequent earthquakes due to its position along the boundary of two major tectonic plates, the Nazca Plate and the South American Plate. The country lies on the Pacific Ring of Fire, an area with high seismic and volcanic activity caused by the movement and collision of tectonic plates. In Peru, the Nazca Plate is subducting beneath the South American Plate at a rate of about 70 millimeters per year. This subduction process generates significant geological stress, leading to the accumulation of energy over time. When this stress is released, it results in earthquakes. Additionally, the subduction zone can produce powerful megathrust earthquakes, which occur when a tectonic plate is forced under another. The complex geological structure of the Andean region, with its numerous faults and tectonic complexities, also contributes to the high frequency of seismic activity. As a result, Peru is one of the most seismically active countries in the world, facing the constant risk of earthquakes and their associated hazards. The impact of these tectonic plates on Peru extend beyond just the immediate threat of earthquakes. The seismic activity also influences the country's topography, contributing to the formation of the Andes Mountains, one of the longest and highest mountain ranges in the world. Over geological timescales, the continuous collision and subduction process have uplifted these mountains, shaping the landscape and influencing local climates. Moreover, the frequent seismic activity has profound implications for urban planning, infrastructure, and disaster preparedness in Peru. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.